Hey guys, what's going on? Shane with Eastman Insurance Solutions coming to you live on this Monday morning about 10:30 a.m. with your insurance pro tip of the day. Now I know it's been a minute since we've dropped the video. Been super busy here in the office, but as I promised, I want to bring to you guys in real time issues, questions, problems that we are faced with in the agency that are of benefit to the group as a whole, or our audience here at EIS. And one of those reoccurringly common issues that we are seeing is something that I don't see anybody talking about, and thus here is the video to address it. Solar panels. Solar panels are becoming more and more common. They're becoming less expensive. They are becoming a better option than your traditional Pacific Gas and Electric utility services. And so as we're seeing more common occurrences, we are starting to see frequency in claims. I want to break down a very important difference in your insurance policy when it comes to how you are going to purchase your solar, how you're going to get your solar installed, and what the impact is going to be to you in the event of a loss. So let's hop right into it. There are two, primarily there's two different ways of installing your solar, and I am not a solar expert. This is just my vantage point as an insurance agent dealing with solar and claims. The two most common ways to get your solar installed is option A, on your roof, or option B, you get installed on your property on a rack or some other means of installing it. Maybe there's a better piece of your property that is more conducive to direct sunlight. And so some people are opting not to get it installed in a roof, but in a different location. Believe it or not, this actually makes a very big difference when it comes to your insurance, and I'm going to tell you why. First, here is the most common area that I'm seeing people get this getting solar installed is on your roof. Ease of use, height, typically the best place to do it. When these solar panels are installed on your roof, they are considered part of your dwelling on your homeowners insurance policy. The majority of homeowners insurance policies have a endorsement on them changing actual cash value to what's called replacement cost. And so in the event that there is a fire in your home and your house is destroyed, at that point, your solar panels are going to be assessed from a replacement cost standpoint instead of an actual cash value standpoint. And that could be huge to you based on what the value is of those solar panels at the time of loss. If we go to the other option where your solar panels are installed somewhere else on your property, again, due to being more advantageous, at this point, because they're not installed on your house, they become what's called separate structures. And those policies, more often than not, your homeowner's policy more often than not is based on actual cash value for separate structures. If you've ever tried to file a homeowner's claim against your fencing, they've come back and said, hey, based on actual cash value, based on the neighbor policy, we're only going to cover a small amount of money. So this could be very disastrous to you if at time of loss they're rating your solar panels based on actual cash value, not replacement cost. You could be writing a check for the difference. So as always, super crucial to be working with a knowledgeable insurance agent that is asking the questions, and you as a prudent homeowner need to be asking the questions when it comes to things like this. Insurance tends to be an afterthought instead of a forethought when it comes to a lot of the decision-making processes regarding our homes. And so keep your insurance agent in the loop on things. Call your insurance agent. Hey, we're thinking about installing solar. We have a couple different options. Number one, what's the cost impact going to be to us on adding the solar? Is there a more beneficial way to go about it? Just ask questions, allow them to impart their wisdom and their experience into you. And that way, when you make a decision, it's an educated and informed decision, and there are no surprises at time of loss. So anyway, hope you guys found some value to this. If you have any questions on solar panels or how it impacts your insurance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you're our client or not, we want to be a resource to you for all things insurance. And so don't hesitate to do so. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Monday, and I hope you have an even better week, and we will talk to you soon.